Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to start with chapter 19 of your grammar, active and passive voice. So pay attention and try to understand all the things carefully. You need to learn these two tables for better understanding. So let us understand with example. She bakes a cake. She bakes a cake. And now see the another sentence. A cake is baked by her. She bakes a cake. So this is subject here. This is verb and this is object. Now what I have done? I have converted this sentence is in active voice. Here subject is actively doing work. But now see the next sentence. A cake is baked by her. Now this sentence is in passive voice. Meaning of the sentence is same. She bakes a cake is baked by her. In both the sentence meaning is same. But what I have done, I have converted this subject into object and this object into subject. Simple. And this V1 converted into V3. So what you need to do, you need to convert active voice into passive voice. How we can convert it? Now see another example. Mohan writes a letter. So you can see this is Mohan is subject. This is verb here and this is object. Now what I need to do? I need to make this object as subject. So here a letter. So writes it is present tense. So I'll write a letter. So is. And remember one thing, beta, in passive voice, we always use V3. When we change active into passive, whatever tense it is, we are going to use V3. So here a letter is written. Right ka? Written. We have changed right into written. A letter is written by whom? Who is agent here? Who is doing the work? Mohan. By Mohan. If proper noun is given like Mohan, Rohan, koi naam diya hai, then we are going to use and we need to use by also. Okay, so you need to keep few things in your mind. V3, use of by. Okay, and we use helping verb according to the tense. We know that this is present tense. Both the sentences are in present tense. So that is why we have used here is. Okay, let us understand with some more examples. Now, I have written in past tense. She baked a cake. She baked a cake. Now, how we are going to change it? A cake, baked, it is baked. So which helping verb I'll use here? Was. A cake was baked by her. Mohan wrote a letter. Wrote, again it is V2. This is subject and this is object. So object आ जाएगा subject के place पे. A letter was written by Mohan. What if I write letters here? What if I write letters here? So instead of a letter, I'll write letters. Letters, verb. Was को हटा देंगे and we'll use plural helping verb. Letters letters were written by Mohan. So when we are going to use helping verb, we'll use according to the subject what we are going to use here. So object, it is in plural, so when we convert it into subject, it will again in plural. Now see examples of present continuous, continuous and past continuous. So they are playing cricket. So this is a subject, helping verb, main verb, and this is object here. Fine. Now what we need to do? क्या करना है हमें? We need to change it as subject. Cricket will come at the place of subject. So simple. It is very simple. Cricket. So this is, now we need helping verb. Cricket, it is in plural. Though we have used are here in active voice, but when we are going to change it, so we are going to use helping verb as our object. We have now changed it as subject to cricket is. बेटा जब हम continuous tense को convert करते हैं passive voice में, so we need to use being, B-E-I-N-G. Cricket is being played. We know third form of the verb. Remember, whether it is present tense, past tense, future tense, कोई भी tense है, जब हम उसको passive में convert करेंगे, we are going to use third form of the verb. So play, played, played. So they is the subjective pronoun. So what is the objective case of they? Them. So in your book, beta, table is also given for active pronoun and passive pronoun, conversion of pronoun into from active to passive. So you need to learn that table also. Cricket is being played by them. Now this is past continuous. In present we have used are here. So he was watching a movie. Now it is very simple. You can easily convert it. Yes, very good. Try. Yes, a movie. So a movie, it is singular. So a movie was being. Remember, जब भी ing form, continuous tense जब भी होगा, whether it is present continuous or past continuous. So when we are going to convert it into passive voice, being, use of being, was, B-E-I-N-G, being watched. यहाँ का जो ing है वो हमने being में यूज कर लिया, और अब इसको जो हम watch को है उसको थर्ड फॉर्म हम बना देंगे. Watched by him. He is subjective pronoun. इसका objective pronoun क्या है? Him. So he को हमने convert कर दिया him में. So this is very simple. Practice exercise are given in your book. You can do practice there. Okay. Now let us see examples of present perfect tense. Okay. I have done the assignment. I have done the assignments. This is subject, helping verb, main verb, and this is a object here. So what we need to do? We need to convert, we need to change subject as, we need to place object as subject. So the assignment. The assignment, singular, has. So it is also already V3 is given here. Do, did, done. Done is already V3, है ना? So the assignment has been done by me. The assignment has been done by me. In this way we will change. Whenever present perfect tense is given, it means we have has, have plus V3. So we are going to add been also. So now this is a subject, helping verb. This we are also going to add been and done by me. In this way. Now see another example. Rohan has invited me. Rohan has invited me. So me, this is object here, and we need to, this is given at the place of object. अब इसका me का subjective pronoun हमें use करना है. Me तो हम use नहीं कर सकते. Me has been invited by Rohan. No. Me के लिए हम use करेंगे I. We are going to use subjective pronoun I. I have been. रिमेंबर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस है, ऑलरेडी हमें V3 दिया हुआ है, तो हमें बीन ऐड करना है यहां पर. ठीक है. सो आई हैव बीन इनवाइटेड. ऑलरेडी V3 होती है, हमारे को पता है. वी नो दैट इन परफेक्ट टेंस वी यूज V3. सो आई हैव बीन इनवाइटेड बाय हूं? बाय रोहन. है ना सिंपल बिल्कुल. So you can easily convert it. Okay. Now let us see of future tense, simple future tense. Now see simple future tense. We know simple future tense, subject, will, shall, V1 and object. So I shall paint the door. This is subject here. This is a helping verb here. And this is main verb and this is object here. Now we need to change it into passive voice. How we are going to change? So the door. We are going to start a sentence with the door will be. The door will be. Shall we use with I and we. We use shall with I and we. Now but here door is there. So the door will be, okay, will be painted by me. Okay, the door will be painted by me. So whenever we need to convert simple future tense active voice into passive, so we need to use will be or shall be. Either will be or shall be. Now see another example. He will read this book. This book. Yes, this book will be read. Read, read, read. This book will be read by, we know now, it is written like read but pronunciate like read. This book will be read by him. Fine. So this is for simple future tense. Okay, V3 or will be and shall be. Now let's see future perfect tense. Now see future perfect tense. We will have made a table. Future perfect, it is there. Use of will, it is there. And have made. Future perfect tense, it is given. We will have made a table. So we need to change it as a table. A table. A table. आगे कैसे करेंगे हम इसको बताओ आप. A table will have been made by us. For we, this is subjective pronoun, and for we, this is objective pronoun. Okay, so a table will have been made by us. Now see another example. You will have taken this book. कैसे करेंगे अभी इसको चेंज? सिंपल, जल्दी बताओ. This book, will का will आ जाएगा हमारे पास यहां पर. Have भी आ जाएगा. Same, will have been. We need to add been. Taken by, been taken by you. You का you ही रहेगा. This is also objective case. You का objective case is also you. Okay, so this is your in your syllabus. This much is there. So we have done all the types of tenses, and in your book, beta, exercises are given based on these tenses. Okay, so you need to do these exercises. Okay.